before we start, I would like to say thank you to everyone who registered this 2024 Mayon 360 Bike Challenge.
I'm very excited for tomorrow. I was here during the first one. I was here 2 years ago and I wasn't able to join the one last year. But this year I'm excited to join again to finally be part of this again. I'm excited because I love the 8 stations. I love the nutrition stations. I love the view. I just love seeing Mount Mayon. It's in all its glory. It's very beautiful. So yeah, I'm very excited to see all of it and experience and bike 85 kilometers around the volcano again.
Hello everyone! First time ko dito sa Bicol. Maraming Diyos mabalos everyone! So ayun, very excited ako kasi kakakita ko lang ng Mayon kanina. Sabi pag nakita mo daw ng buo, mabait ka. So sana bukas makita ko ng buo, makita nating lahat. At maraming salamat JCI Legazpi and to everyone here. And yan, thank you!
Mayon 360! Yay!
Hey guys! Welcome to Mayon 360 Year 3!
Thanks so much for supporting Mayon 360.
Of course.
And of course, this is powered by JCI Legazpi, the pioneer in sports tourism here in Albay. So, kita-kita tayo bukas.
Yes.
Bike tayo, ikot tayo sa Mayon. Woo!
See you tomorrow!
Hi everyone, inviting you to join the Mayon 360 Bike Challenge. Third year na, excited ako kahit na third time. It's always a good experience to be here and to feel the community of cyclists here in Legazpi, in Bicol. So I'm really excited and see you there tomorrow.
Nag-prepare kami mga 2 to 3 times a week. Pero for tomorrow, gusto lang namin mag-enjoy. Tapos excited lang talaga kami na maikot yung Mayon. We'll make sure na matapos namin. Tapos makapunta kami dun sa nutrition area. Mapuntahan namin yung mga lahat ng booth doon. And basta ma-enjoy lang namin.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat in behalf of JCI Legazpi for continuing yung support po ng biking community sa ating Mayon 360 Bike Challenge. And sobrang overwhelming. Every year, dumadami tayo ng dumadami. JCI Legazpi is the pioneer in sports tourism here in Albay. So, maraming salamat po and we just want to let you know na yung funds, yung nalikom natin, no, we have promoted the tourism and also we will be able to help the community in Albay. So, maraming salamat. Palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili niyo. So, hindi pa kayo nagbabike, nakatulong na kagad kayo. So, pag nagbike pa kayo, sobrang sulit talaga yung ride nyo. So, maraming salamat po everyone.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. No? So bumalik kami ulit dito. This is our third time, tama?
Ayan, good evening po sa lahat. And syempre, happy to be back for the third time. So wala po kaming absent and I'm sure yearly na to, hindi pwedeng wala ang Lopez family for Mayon 360. But for this year, nakasama si Alo kasi last year wala po siya, di ba? Konti reminder, again, lagi po namin sinasabi na it's not a race, it's just a challenge. So, ang importante is lahat tayo maka-finish and maging safe and mag-enjoy. Yun lang po talaga. Mag-enjoy tayo kasi this is a 83-kilometer bike ride around the majestic Mayon volcano. So yun nga, ride safe, ride smart, and see you all tomorrow.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. It's nice to be back. Third join nila. Last year kasi wala ako, pero first ever na Mayon 360 nandito kami. Ngayon, babalik kami at sana bukas mag-enjoy tayo.
Huwag lang natin pansinin masyado yung ahon, Master, di ba? Pagka may ahon, merong... Ayun. Hindi, nakakalimutan niyo yung lusong, ha?
Yan, sa mga kababayan ko sa Bicol. Yan, salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa amin. And sa JCI Legazpi, congratulations.
Yan mga master, so sana wag sana umulang bukas tapos enjoy lang natin yung ride.
At huwag niyong kalilimutan, ang mag-comment, mag-like at mag-subscribe ay hindi mag-skip ng ad, mas lalong. So yun, maraming salamat po at kita-kita tayo bukas.
Riders, maray na ada sa inyong kabos! Good morning everyone! Welcome once again to the Mayon 360 Bike Challenge 2024! Good morning everyone! Alright, so ready na po si Mayon para sa inyo. So maraming salamat po. Ride safe, ingat lang po tayo and enjoy the scenery. Maraming salamat po and good luck to everyone! In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Ito na po yung Mayon 360 Bike Challenge 2024 natin, and this project has been going on after the pandemic. So the goal of this project is to boost up the tourism after the pandemic, and on its third year, we are happy that our participants grew. The first year was 400, then followed by 500 plus, and then now it's 660 participants. And the participants that we have, 75 of which is outside Bicol, no? Yung mga participants po natin came all over from the Philippines, and we have participants who came from abroad para lang sumali sa Mayon 360.
Ako si Carlo Diaz from Catarman, Northern Samar, representing Scramb. Last year, sumali din ako, mag-isa lang ako last year. This year, may nasama na akong 8. So yung iba sa amin, naiwan yung iba na una na. The experience so far is always the best. Ganda ng organizing team, JCI, thank you. At yun, laging well-organized, laging may mga pit stop, may mga pagkain, may mga hydration, kaya parang hindi ka mapapagod. Sobrang sulit. Thank you so much for the experience.
Very much sa mga organizer and also sa lahat ng mga nag-participate dito. So, this is my first time sa Mayon 360 and I enjoy it. I'm looking forward for another Mayon 360 on the...
Definitely, we will be back.
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoying naman po yung terrain natin dito ngayon kasi meron po siya mga medyo elevated na mga slopes. May challenge kasi yung mga slopes natin na may mga elevation is medyo may kahabaan siya. Experience namin dito is bago sa amin. Kaya yan, lahat naman kami nag-enjoy.
Maganda yung run. Thank you very much sa JCI Legaspi headed by Pres Ian and ang project chairman LA and also dito sa mga support staff ng JCI. So thank you very much po. Very well organized.
Kahit nakakapagod. Actually, pangalawang taon ko na to. Pangalawa na. And super na-enjoy ko to. Tsaka talagang sulit. Sulit dito sa view pa lang ni Mayon. Ata 3 times. Sa view pa lang ni Mayon, lalo na kahapon, ang ganda, perfect. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung tuktok pala. Actually, laging may cover. Even last year, hindi ko siya nakita. Ngayon, nakita ko siya.
So far, medyo pina-check lang yung hangin, parang malambot eh. Good thing, nandito yung Gen para mag-assist. Saka yung ibang aid stations din natin para sa refreshment saka sa konting pagkain. Kahit pangatlong beses na ganun pa rin yung feeling, hindi mo pa rin talaga makabisado yung daan kahit ilang beses kang nadaanan. Pero ano pa din, challenging, very challenging. And may sense of fulfillment kapag nakaahon.
First time po namin sumali ngayon, we are from Manila po. Happy po, sobrang enjoy po, and ang ganda po ng weather, so baka next year po mag-join po ulit kami.
What an awesome event again. This is our 3rd year in a row, and it just gets better every year. Over 600 participants, can't go wrong. What I love about this course is there's so many great people throughout the region that are cheering us on, clapping, doing all of those things. And so it just gives you that extra energy, that extra push to get it done. So thank you so much, Legaspi, Bicol, Albay, and of course, all of our friends at JCI and Philippine Airlines for being a title sponsor.
That was one of the hardest courses I've ever done. So today we just did a ride around Mayon Volcano. I think if you have a chance in this lifetime, you gotta do this. It has to be part of your bucket list. JCI, who's supporting sports tourism for us, it's a big endeavor that we have to support. So CRZ, on my behalf, and all my teammates over here, and everyone here in the community, everyone's still finishing over there. Everyone's finishing. So we want to invite you next year. This is my 3rd year right now. Every year it just gets getting better and better and better. I think the #1 reason why we want to go over here is we get to meet a lot of people, see the exciting environment, and well, if you can see the finish line, how perfect is that? How perfect for you to finish behind a volcano. If you have it, fly here. We're gonna help you out. JCI, thank you very much for the organizers. Thank you very much for all the sponsors. And thank you very much for my teammate, Carl, Tom, Z, and everyone else in CRZ, and everyone else here who joined. Thank you very much. Bye.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers. Very organized yung very systematic yung challenge. So congratulations, and thank God we had a very good weather today.
Hey, so this is Bubbles Paraiso. I just finished. You know, it was very beautiful. It was a feast for the eyes. Ang ganda ng Mayon, and you can really see it in all angles. I just kept on admiring its beauty. So I just want to say thank you to everyone here in Albay for supporting. Everyone was out of their homes, cheering for us. I want to thank the security. Grabe, ang galing yung nag-marshal talaga. And of course, JCI, thank you for having us once again. And I'm going to be back next year for sure.
My name is Sean Farinas, and this is the 3rd time that I've joined the Mayon 360. Super fun, super saya. Ang ganda ng scenery, ang ganda ng course, sobrang well organized. Congratulations to JCI Legazpi.
I'm Jemboy del Rosario, Manila to Bicol. Papunta dito, Manila to Bicol. So this is the big challenge for me. And this is my first time to be here. For the first time, nakita ko sa Mayon at isa ako sa kalahok na sumasali dito. Thank you sa GCI, sa mga lahat ng taga Bicol, sa mga organization ng GCI. Thank you so much. At isa ako sa nasama dito.
Vinzo Peña, representing GoTech. First time ko magsali sa Mayon 360 JTI. Marayon, tabako moran, pero medyo makapagalta si ba nagbanat, mabanat man kita. Okay lang, medyo laspag, pero kaya man. Next year naman.
Ano lang kami, takbong pugi lang. Bali, pang ano natin ito, tatlo, no?
Pangatlo na namin.
Tatlong sali na dito sa Mayon 360. Kailangan lang may practice din, hindi yung parang sasakay agad sa bike tapos sasali. Ano lang, may ensayo din na konti.
Mahirap sa akin kasi hindi ako masyadong nag-practice. And we're old, you know? Sino old?
We're 50s.
Okay.
Yes, 51? Tama ba?
Si Kathy, sobrang nadalian.
Ako naman, I appreciate yung mga marshals sa mga intersection. Kasi sa ODAX walang ganyan. Talagang...
nag-o-ODAX siya eh.
Pero ito, nakakatuwa. So, pwedeng bumalik ulit next year.
Babalik kami next year. So, I appreciate JCI Legazpi. Thank you so much. Next year ulit, babalik kami.
Mga bata na nakasabay ng mga taga dito, malalakas sila kanina. Tapos yun, lalakas nila mga asar. Asar yung mga yun. Ayan, madami ako nakasabay mga taga dito kanina. Ayan, kasi nahuli ako. Tapos, kaya pinulungan lang ako ng isang tropa. Ayan, hindi ako pinitawan ng isang tropa ko. Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo. Masayang experience. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, wala lang. keep on geng-geng lang.
Hi, I'm Ayan, and it's my third year here at Mayon 360. Super nice. They changed the start and finish, which is great kasi ang ganda ng view start pa lang and then finishing, seeing the backdrop of Mayon, and really always consistent here in Mayon 360. Very good cycling community. Everyone's so supportive. And sobrang saya lang magbike for all levels. If you wanna to have a lot of stuff for photos, lahat maganda. But if you wanna push, there are strong guys out here that you can ride with also. So overall, super happy. Always a great experience. Thank you so much, JCI Legazpi, for organizing this event.
Napakasaya experience yung na-experience ko rito sa pagbabike dito sa JCI, yung event na to. Ayan, masaya, first time, pero sulit. Maraming salamat sa ito kami.
Ayan, so we're done with the third Mayon 360. Sobrang enjoy and first time ni Toyo. Kumusta experience mo?
Napakasaya.
Ayan, sobrang saya. Ayan nga, first time, iniwan ako nito. Pero for sure, yearly na po kami nandito kasi babalik-balikan namin yung mga taga-Bicol. Sobrang saya. Thank you. See you again next year.
Basta Mayon, ahon!
Yeah, puro ahon! Budol!
We have 26 group affiliated all over the Philippines. We have groups here from Tabaco, Albay. Kaya masabi ko lang, no, napakagandang experience na po yung pag-akyatin dito. Also to promote ang tourism, no, dito sa Mayon. At siguro sa susunod, babalik po kami ulit. Salamat po sa JCI. Mabuhay po ang PCACI.
Pati ko lang yung mga tropa dyan, Sambales Cycling Network, Tracodorbs. Thank you JCI, ganda.
So this event has been successful also with the partners that we have, especially the province of Albay and also the cities and municipalities that surrounds Albay. Grabe po yung tulong nila, and this will boost the economy of Albay dahil po sa 2 days, no? 2 days event na ginawa namin. Una yung kit claiming, briefing, and then the on the day race natin. So nakatulong po ito sa cities and municipalities of Albay, in which nasuportahan po yung mga local businesses such as hotels, yung mga kainan po, no? Yung mga tourists natin all over the Philippines, nakita nila yung ganda ng Mayon. And as their testimonials po, no, sabi nila babalik sila ulit next year para sa 4th Mayon 360 Bike Challenge. The Mayon 360 Bike Challenge is a tourism project that JCI Legazpi organized. This is to promote the tourism, and syempre bida dito yung Mount Mayon volcano. Last year po when we conducted the Mayon 360 Bike Challenge, sumabay po yung pagputok ni Mayon, and with that po, no, naglakas loob kami na ituloy yung event, and naging successful po siya. Sana po, supportahan po natin ang mga susunod na Mayon 360 Bike Challenge para po kayo po, nakatulong na po kayo sa communities, nag-enjoy pa po kayong umikot sa napakagandang Mayon Volcano, the perfect cone volcano in the world. So muli po, nagpapasalamat po kami ang JCI Legazpi sa lahat po ng partners namin, ng mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po, at naway magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod na taon upang ituloy ang panibagong Mayon 360 Bike Challenge adventure nating lahat. Maraming salamat po.